Hi, here in Asian. So this is Asian menu. So today we'll start to salad. Yeah, first salads with sweet corns and toppings is lemon. Yep. So nice it, huh? And also the sweet. This is a rice sweet. Oh, see, nice it, huh? Very creamy. Very creamy and sticky. And we'll move on the main course. White rice, and the special for today is chicken curry. Wow. And the toppings, coriander leaves. Ooh la la. See? Very chili, huh? So the next one is sabji. Ooh, sabji. Wow, nice it, huh? Ooh. Look at that. And the toppings also the green leaves, coriander. Yeah. This is a good for the body of the coriander. There are good benefits to our health. Coriander leaves. Yeah. So that's why I always do put it there: coriander leaves, celery, chili, and this one dal. Wow. So because they have also the benefits of the vegetable for our health, so that's why they are put it in the toppings. Is the chili and some of greens we are give it to our menu. So that is the special for our menu for today. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Please like and share also. Okay guys, thank you. Bye.